My Sound Parade by Jane Belk Moncure and Rebecca Thornburg. My Sound Parade. Clap your hands, tap your feet. A parade is coming down the street. Little and an alligator lead the way. You can come along too, they say. Here comes little with a baby baboon and a bear on a bicycle with a balloon. Little rides a camel with a cat and a clown. Little and some ducks dance up and down. Little rides an elephant. Some elves are in a box. Here comes little with 5 frogs and a fox. Little plays a guitar and sings a song. Some goats and a gorilla dance along. Little blows his horn, and a hippo hops upside down until he stops. Little skips along with her insect zoo. Little and Jumbo skip along too. Here comes little and a kangaroo. Little will take you for a ride with a lamb and a lion. Step inside. Little comes by with a moose and some mice and 3 little monkeys. They are very nice. Little has nickels for everyone. And little and an ostrich join in the fun. Little rides her pony with piglets 3. Little little calls quietly, "Please wait for me." Little has a reindeer. You can ride it too, with a rabbit and a rooster singing cock-a-doodle-doo. Little and a sailor skip along with 6 silly seals singing a song. Little drives a truck with a box full of toys. Little has umbrellas for all the girls and boys. Little has lots of valentines that say, "We like you." Little and her whale say, "We like you too." Where are they going? Do not ask me. Ask little x and y and z. They might tell you they are going to the animal zoo. The brand new soundbox Animal Zoo with insects, a camel, an alligator, with Jumbo, the elephant, a hippo, with ducks, with frogs, an ostrich, a lion, with a baboon and a gorilla, with a pony, with a zebra, with a kangaroo, with nightingales, a piglet and a cat, with a tiger, a rhino, and a yak, with a quail, a moose, and a reindeer. But let's not forget the seals and the whale.